universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And now, astronomers have made an exciting discovery: a giant molecular cloud hidden in the vastness of our own Milky Way. Using the powerful Green Bank telescope in the United States, scientists have identified a previously unknown giant molecular cloud, or GMC, measuring a staggering 200 light-years across and weighing 160,000 times the mass of our Sun. This newly discovered cloud has been designated M4.7 0.8 by Messier. Molecular clouds are the birthplaces of stars. These vast cosmic structures are composed mostly of hydrogen gas and interstellar dust remnants from the formation of galaxies. When these clouds exceed 100,000 solar masses, they earn the title of giant molecular clouds. They are the coldest and densest parts of the interstellar medium. Why are giant molecular clouds so important? Because they serve as stellar nurseries, the regions where new stars are born. Over millions of years, gravity causes parts of these clouds to collapse, eventually igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to brilliant new stars. This discovery opens up new doors for astronomers to study the processes behind star formation. Future telescopes and space missions will allow us to dive deeper into these cold, dark regions of space, uncovering secrets about the very fabric of our universe. The cosmos continues to surprise us with its hidden wonders. What other celestial secrets lie waiting to be discovered? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible space discoveries. Until next time, keep looking up.